because a lot of you do not really know what is the mandate of the ERC. So we were created by virtue of the Electric Power Industry Reform Act as an independent quasi-judicial regulatory body. And our mandate is to promote market competition, ensure customer choice, protect consumer interests, and we do this when we say protect consumer interest through the rate setting, which is a reasonable rates, setting of reasonable rates. And when we say also protecting consumers, we make sure that the electricity coming to the households or to the consumers are meets the standards in terms of quality. Okay, ensure least cost pricing in electricity and penalize abuse of market power. So the commission is a collegial body composed of our chairperson and 4 commissioners.